Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D CAD tutorials. Today we will understand how we can export the BOM in SolidWorks with thumbnails or with images of the part. Usually what will happen when we are discussing about the BOM, sometimes the part number we may understand what exactly the part, and if there is any preview or if there is an image as saying is there, image is worth of 1,000 words. A image can convey a better understanding between the team, and also we even an engineer can understand what exactly we are ordering or referring to, so which configurations and everything. So here I have searched so many times over the internet, but I am not able to find the proper way to uh, export the BOM with images. So later on, one of the blog I have gone through, they have very nicely explained. So I want to transfer the same knowledge through this video. So I have imported, or I have gathered some of the parts here. So here you can see how many components are there here. So if you see here, so there are so many components. I have just drag and drop over here to show the different how we can import uh, the BOM with the images. So here I am having nearly 6 to 7 types of components, and also the quantity is also different. So what I will do, as we are doing, so insert table, bill of material. So just take parts only, or we will discuss about this individual features later. So but as of now, you take parts only and you just say okay. So I think till here everyone knows how to generate the BOM. So from here, if you see, some of the videos are saying install some of the softwares and click over there and it will automatically exports with images. No need to do all those things. Just right click over here, then save as, and also if you go here, so where you want to save, somewhere here I want to save this one as a test bomb, -02. So I will take this as an Excel, in Excel format. So what I will do, the test bomb. So I will say, before saving you have to do only one thing, that is you have to check these thumbnails. So if you click over here, you will, all parts will, all images will be exported. So while saving also, the part should be saved in the isometric condition, and also it should be fit to screen, and then we will get a better. So let me go to the Excel sheet. So okay, so it's opening. So if we see this one here, if we are able to see this one here, the component 1, item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, item 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 items are there, and also they are having a different quantity here. The quantity will come over here. If you want to add some description in the assembly level, you can add that one, not an issue. So here, as I just drag and drop from the library, it is taken a default part numbers. So the part number, it has taken as the description as the part number, not an issue. So you can rename, because if you go to SolidWorks, the part name itself, it's referring actually. So the part numbers only it's referring. So this is how we can just export the components images along with the BOM. So even it may be you are exporting a like a small assembly or a big assembly or an individual parts, or even including when you are exporting for the weldments also, it will come. So I will explain those things in the later stages, but as of now, because I came across this one, I am very much happy with this one, because when I'm going through the BOM, I can identify the parts in the Excel sheet itself. No need to go there and search for the components and for the quantity. Suppose when we are having a 200 to 300 components, it's highly difficult to go there and preview every time. So the system memory will be filled, and also when we are accessing the higher size files, it needs a lot of time to just search for the components. So it's a better way, even though you are using a PLM, PDM or anything. This will give an a fair idea about your BOM. Yeah. Thanks for your time. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you. Bye.